Today's topic is about inbuilt functions. I'll tell you what is the function. So yesterday's assignment, few people didn't write. Most of the people didn't write message syntax. Please make it a note, and you have to say message syntax also in the interview. So we have to give message. After that, we have to whatever the message we need, that we have to message variable. Later, view as alert box we have to give. Okay, that you have to mention in the whatever the person who used to ask you the what is the message syntax, that we have to explain. Okay, so I'm telling functions. Okay, today's topic is about inbuilt functions. There is two types of functions. One is inbuilt functions and one is normal function. What is function definition? I'll tell you. Function is a subprogram which can be included in the session. It is a subprogram or small program, we can call small program which can be within the session, which can be exist within the session, we call function. So interview question, first interview question is, what is function and how many types of functions we have. Okay, so if this function will be available in last of the, if we are actually, we call, one second, online editor. Where it is? Oh my God. Actually, the function, I'll tell you, if the function we are defining, we are declaring that function at last of the progress session. So it won't read whether the function is available or not. So with the forward statement, we can uh, define that function is available in this progress session. Like that, we can use that. These things will explain with the example in further classes. So today's topic is about inbuilt functions. Here we have two types of functions: user defined functions and general functions. User defined functions, and second one is about normal function will call it as function. Function, it is this topic will be covered in next session. Today's topic is about user defined functions. We'll call it as inbuilt functions also. So inbuilt functions and user defined functions. We can deal with the user defined functions directly, and we can reduce the code by using these user defined function. So string is a one of the function which used to which used to convert any data type into character. This is the one of the function. I'll give you the examples to you guys. One second. Sorry, it is taking time to me. I missed that GUI editor. Second. Yeah, I got it now. Okay, I'll give you the. I'll close. I'll remove this. Define variable some x I'm giving as integer no undo. Same, we will take another variable as character. We should not give duplicate values. Some y. So for x, I'm assigning some 9,234, some 90,236. Then for y, I'm going to make it as string of x I'm assigning. So display y. Let's see whether it's gonna be convert into character or not. Yeah, it got converted, right? So you guys understand string how it will work?
Yes, Akka.
Then we'll take it as decimal value also. We can take this instead of this, we can take decimal value. Here we'll keep minus. Whether it will be taken, it will be convert or not, we'll see. Yeah, it got converted. Even for logical variable also we can convert. Logical, okay. We'll keep s here. Yeah, it is gonna be converted like this. We have to we can convert by using string. Any data type will be converted into character by using string. Okay, please make sure it should, I mean, for message syntax should be like this. And we can also use information box, information buttons also, buttons, button, okay. For here,
Title.
okay, cancel, everything we can. Okay, cancel, yes or no, like that we can keep here, and it will be showing as a pop-up box. Actually, here we cannot show, I mean, we cannot see pop-up box. In my GUI editor, I'll do these examples and I'll paste you in class notes. Okay. Yeah. Someone is asking something. Carry on.
Message status also include title.
Yeah, it will also include title for the separation of multiple messages.
Yeah.
Absolute. Absolute will convert integer value. I mean, uh, absolute is it will be converted into integer value. It will convert, you know, it will convert into integer value. I'll show you. It will be, it will be convert into integer value. So let's see the some examples. One example I'll give you. Okay. So x is a integer value, and y is a character variable. Then we'll go with x equals to, now I'm doing do loop. Loops will be cover, actually I'll tell you loops in next class. Okay. Next class will cover loops. Actually I have started, right? So we are going to display alphabets. Okay.
Okay.
Y of x equals to character of or otherwise, wait a minute, I'll tell you ASCII value of we can include variables, or we can also display values. Okay. ASCII value of a, we can display the position, I mean the position of a. I'm going to run this display statement. So ASCII value of a is 65. So we can display like this. So loops, when it comes loops, right, at the time I'll give you this, I mean another example for ASCII values. Okay. You just display all alphabets. One more interview question I'll give you. Display all alphabets using ASCII function. It is one of the interview question. And also please do some exercises by your own, by giving some values to the string, I mean to the functions, and I have to define and let me know. Okay. I mean you have to do some exercises for each function. You have to give one example or two examples, at least one. Make it as two also. Then Next topic, you guys understand, right? Please let me know if you are having any questions. Please come up with your questions, or otherwise you guys are interested to give questions in at last means I'll continue with the next topic.
Yeah, continue, Akka.
Yeah, length. Actually, it will be return value is integer. Okay, for this one, return value is return value is integer. Whatever the character we are giving to the character field, so that we can find that length of that character by using length. Okay, by using length function we can count the string value. So we'll give you the example for this. Then I'm going to give y value as some pushpa ready. Then we can display length of y. So we are able to get 11 letters in the string. So you guys understand, right? How length will work.
Yes, Akka.
Then substring. Substring, if a character has some positions, then we can display that position of that. If we give the position of that character, it will display that letters. So by to get the position, to get the particular letters in the string, we can use substring. Then we can display, replace. We can replace that position of letters, and we can get that letters. What the letters we are giving in that positions, we can find with the substring. Okay, character has some letters. To get particular letter, we can use substring. Okay, so I'll give you the example substring. Okay, for this one I'm giving the variable this like this, and I'm going to use substring of y. Y is the string, string. Okay, I'll give you the this one syntax also. Sorry, I am not giving syntax, right? Syntax of Syntax is substring. They'll ask you in interview question, they'll ask you, please define the syntax of substring, like that. They'll say, orally they'll ask, just tell them to string, substring of string, comma, some whatever the data, starting position, and how much length you need to display. I mean, how much length of data has to be displayed to the output. Start position and end position, you can make it as end position. We can keep like this. Okay, syntax. Then example, I'm going to give 4, comma 9. What are the variable, I mean, what are the letters we'll get? I'll show you. Then I'll ask you the questions here only for you guys. See, from H to, it is considered, H is the 4th position. It is the starting position, and till Y it is getting. I mean 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, why it is getting like this? It should get, 1 second. Let me, sorry. We should not give like that. We have to give 1, 2 positions. Okay. I'm giving. So here, I mean, end position will be start from 1 to some variable, some number. Okay. Don't give I mean, after 4 should not take, don't take it as 5. Okay. If you give 5 after 4, it will consider it as HPARE. So yeah, 5 letters should be displayed here. Okay. If you give 1, only H will be displayed. If you give 9 means we have after H, how many letters will be there? 1, H, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 will be there, right? So if I give 9 means it will display all the whatever the letters we have, those letters will be displayed here. So if you want any letter, I mean till that letter, you have to give that many, I mean that many count. Okay. I'll I'll tell you 6. So please respond to this. How many, what are the letters we'll get as output?
I think we can be above.
Sorry, I'm not unable to hear you. Till E or D?
D.
D? Let's see. Let's see. We'll see. Yeah, correct. Thank you. Yeah, you got it. The question, I mean, answers for this. So you guys keep some examples. At least 2 to 3 examples, please give it to me. You can take time also. You can give till, I'll give you the time till Wednesday. Make more examples on this, okay? Actually, it's a very important for 1 year of experience people and 2 years of experience people, they'll ask this type of questions. Okay, you understand, right? Then we can also replace. We can also replace this. We can also replace the position of HPRED. So we can replace that position into like this. It's a string. Substring will return string value, right? I mean, character value. So we have to keep in double quotes. So it will replace the positions. Whatever the HP. One second. I'll show you this one. Yes. So till here, PUS from H2, it is keeping ready. Okay. It is not able to see. Actually, it is considering only 5 values. So we can replace the values by using like this. Okay. We can keep some other value. Actually, ready was there, right? Already. It is there. Some name. So actually, it is displaying only 8 letters, right? A character, we have to give format. Format of X of
8.
no, don't give 8. If default value is 8, right? Please make it as 20 and you can able to see. We are able to see replaced value. Okay. So to display all the whatever the letters we have in the string, so we have to give format. It will if you guys won't keep format, it will display default values. The remaining characters in remaining alphabets won't be displayed in the display chart. Okay. So you have to use format for getting larger than 8 character length. Okay. So you guys can take this also as example. One more example. Please rejoin to another session. Actually, I am going to cover 2 days class today. So I'll continue with another topics also. And you have to give assignment by end of Wednesday. Okay.
Okay, Akka.
Index. You understood, right? Substring. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll complete it and I'll start one more session. Okay. That is the class 1 and class 5 and class 6, both the classes within this class 5 only. Understood, right?
Yes, Akka.
So substring, same substring, like whatever the substring is working like that, only overlay one more keyword is there. One more function is there. Same syntax for this also. Overlay of string, same properties it is having. It will work as substring. Okay, start position and length. Okay, same it will work like this. I'll give you the example for this also. Let's see whether it will work or not. So we'll change some other thing, okay, inside this. See, it is working as substring. Substring will be very useful. It will be in real time also. You guys can you can use with the substring, and we can reduce the code. Okay, did you guys understood?
Yes, Akka.
Yes, Akka.
Okay, index. Now I'm going to start another topic, index. Index, it will return the position of the string. Okay, return value is integer. Return value is integer. Okay, you guys understand, right? Syntax. Syntax for index. Index of start and target. Okay, one more syntax. It has two syntax, index, string, source position and target position. We have will call initial position, we'll call it as source, and will target is whatever the target, whatever the letter we need, that we have to take it as target. And what is the position, start position. Okay, we'll go with the example. The session will be end in 2 minutes. I'll complete this topic. Shall we take this example or some other example? Can you please suggest me any one of the example? I'll take in the string. Please let me know. Or I'm only taking, sorry. It will take, it will prolong. No one will respond to this class. Class 5 functions. Okay. Index of y, comma, some string value. I'll keep fun. It will show the 7 is the position. Its position is F. F position is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It will show the position of that value. Okay. And also we can take this same thing and we can position. I mean, start position means it will start from 1 to some value. I'll give it as 6. Let me see what we'll get. Please rejoin to another session. Sorry, I need to give some spaces here. Okay, some server issue it's happening. Please close this session and rejoin.